Good day, everyone. You're highly welcome to Bashwad Autos channel. Kindly like, subscribe, comment on videos, and subscribe to our channels. Thank you very much. So, as for today, we are talking about Nissan Almera engine. As you can see, this is the floor plugs. This are the spark wires. This is the ignition. The spark wires. As you, this is the throttle mount. The throttle mount. Yeah, these are the nozzles and that controls that correspond to the engine. This is the radiator fan. Yeah, radiator fan. So thank you for watching our videos. Really appreciate, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.